Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make plain bagels. First, combine 500 grams of bread flour with yeast and salt in a large bowl. Next, add 300 milliliters of warm water and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Knead the mixture for about 10 minutes until it forms a smooth, elastic dough. Finally, let the dough rise in a warm spot for 60 to 90 minutes, allowing it to double in size. Now, let's shape those perfect bagels. Divide your risen dough into 8 equal pieces, each weighing approximately 100 grams. Roll each piece into a smooth ball, then gently flatten it. Use your finger to create a hole in the center, stretching it to about 1.5 inches. Place these shaped bagels on parchment paper and chill them for 30 minutes. This next step is crucial for that classic chewy texture. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil, then add 1 tablespoon of malt barley syrup or sugar. Carefully drop your chilled bagels into the boiling water, cooking them for 30 to 60 seconds per side. Use a slotted spoon to remove the boiled bagels, ensuring you drain any excess water thoroughly. Finally, it's time to bake your bagels to golden perfection. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the boiled bagels on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake them for 18 to 22 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Once baked, let your delicious bagels cool completely on a wire rack before enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.